Hey guys, welcome to this video tutorial. On this video I'll be sharing with you some two strategies that you can actually use to actually make sales in your business. Now, have you ever experienced a situation whereby customers are no more buying from you? It seems like you've had customers over time, but at this point in time they are no longer buying from you. You're making no sales. Then if that is the situation you're finding yourself right now in your business, then you are in luck, because on this video I'll be sharing with you two strategies that you can actually use to make more sales in your business. So we want to watch this video till the end. Let's dive into it. So if you are experiencing no sales in your business, then you want to do these two things that I'll be sharing with you. Now, why am I sharing this with you? A customer of mine, alright, which is also a student of mine, complained about not having people buy from her again. Alright, so she told me about a story where she has had customers over time and it seems like nobody is buying anymore, and she was asking for my advice. So I'm doing this video to give answers to her and also to help you out there if you're having such situation in your business. So the one thing you want to do, alright, if you're experiencing no sales or low sales, is for you to actually get more customers. Yes, you heard that right. You want to get more customers in your business. Remember that the more people that know you, the more people that like you, the more people that come to trust you, the more sales you'll be making. As you're introducing your business to more people will definitely come to know you and know what your business and product is about, and they would want to buy from you. So if you want to keep getting sales in your business, if you want to keep getting people to buy from you, the one thing you want to do is to continue to bring ton of people into your funnel, into your business. Continue to advertise and introduce your business to more people. Continue to show your business to more people so that you can always have people to buy from you at any time you would want them to buy from you. So that's one strategy that you want to do. So let's go to the second one. What the other thing you can do if you want to actually increase your sales, make more money in your business? The one thing again that you want to do is for you to create an offer for your existing customers. Now you have people that have already bought from you. Yes, it seems as if they are no more buying. That is because at one point in time they had already gotten from you. So what can you do to actually get them to buy from you again? The next thing you want to do is to create an offer. Now you want to create an irresistible offer, something that they can never ever resist. When you go to a suya man and the guy is giving you a suya for you to taste before he would ask you how much you want to buy, something like that, he's catching you with an offer. So you want to create something for your existing customers so that they can buy from you again and again. Your ability to create an irresistible offer will actually help you to make more sales in your business and in whatever it is that you are looking at making money from. So you want to create an irresistible offer. So let's say that you have a fashion business, for instance. What you can actually do is to combine, bundle products together, do something like you put your bag and your shoe together, and you can actually get people to buy that from you. So if you look at the list of people that have bought from you over time, what you want to do is itemize some of the products that you know that they would be interested in buying. Then you want to reach out to them with an offer of giving them at a particular discount, or you can bundle products together. Say you bundle your bag and shoes that will match to that bag, you bundle it together and you put it out at a discount. You will have them buying from you because you are offering them something that they cannot resist. So you want to look at your business right now. You want to look also at the customer that you have and ask yourself, what is it can you offer this customer? What is it can you bundle together? What is it that you give on a discount to your existing customers so that they can buy from you? If you can identify products, if you can identify what the needs of your customer is, then you can create an offer that your customer will very well not be able to resist. So with these two strategies, you are on your way to increasing your sales in business, making more money for yourself and for your family. Voila, there you have it, guys. Now if you found value in this video, what you want to do is like, share, and make sure you subscribe so that whenever I come on, on this channel to share amazing videos like this, you will get notification. All right, guys, I will see you again on another video. Until then, have a wonderful time. Ciao.